Welcome to this podcast on simple mechanisms by Tyler White. A mechanism is described as being a system of parts working together with one part putting the other part into motion. This typically occurs from having an input and an output. We'll be learning about very simple mechanisms. We'll learn about mesh gears with a 1-to-1 ratio and with other gear ratios. An idler gear, a worm and wheel, bevel gears, rack and pinion, lead screw, crank and slider, cam and follower, chain drive, belt drive, and a universal joint. As class progresses, we'll learn that each of these mechanisms have their own advantages and disadvantages. By knowing and becoming aware of these strengths and weaknesses, you will be more successful in designing a solution to your problem as a mechanical engineer. Some mechanisms serve the purpose of increasing torque or speed, while others serve the purpose of improving the change of direction or increasing the distance of action. And all these mechanisms, they are simple yet highly effective, and all have their own variations. As we progress in this unit, you will come to understand their value through theory and in practice. After learning more about these mechanisms, students will then have the opportunity to learn the duties of an electrical engineer by having the opportunity to wire each mechanism with a motor and various other electrical components. After having been exposed to the world of an electrical engineer, students will then learn the power of code and programming. Students will write a set of instructions or code telling their mechanism exactly what functions they would like them to perform and how they want them to be done.